Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're testing out an Akai CR-83D for a customer whose privacy I respected. When I did his last video, he had sent me an Akai CR, I believe it was a CR-81, and in the demonstration video, I mentioned that the customer's, even his first name was so distinctive that I didn't want to mention his name at all, but he called me and said, no, 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 go ahead and say my name. I want my mom to see the video. I think it was something like that. So this deck comes from Attila Samanik in Lakeville, Pennsylvania. So it was sent in because it will not change tracks. It's a pretty common problem on the Akai. On most decks. On the CR-83, it's a pretty involved process to repair it. So let's go ahead and pop in the tape, make sure it works. Got some Neil Sedaka. Alright, we're going to switch tracks a bunch of times. And you can see our light changing. And of course, we're at the very end of a song's switch track, so we'll have to wait for the next song to start. 3, 2, 1. I don't believe the words they're saying me. And you can see the program indicator light change. Okay, so that takes care of that. And incidentally, to any future customers, if you would like me to mention your full name in the video, all you gotta do is just put a note on the work order requesting that. I only say the customer's first name and their city of residence, for privacy reasons. But if the customer, some customers, don't really want that privacy, they would rather have their name out there. And some guys like to show off to their friends, hey, here's the video and my 8-track, and this guy mentioned my name. I like that myself, so I guess some of you guys might too. So if you want me to say your full name, just say so. Otherwise, I'll mention just your first name and your city of residence. So that being stated, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I also do 8-tracks for cars, FM conversions on classic car radios. I can add FM, Bluetooth, USB reader. Now I can add HD radio, and who knows what else by the time you're ready to send in your unit for service. So my phone number for paying customers only, not if you're looking for a belt or advice on how to fix your yard sale find. My number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Attila, for your repeat business. We'll see you guys next time.